Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some practical tips to build self-confidence. We all know how important self-confidence is in our personal and professional lives, so let's dive right in. First and foremost, it's crucial to practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being plays a significant role in boosting your confidence. Make sure to exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Next up, embrace your strengths. Recognize and celebrate your unique talents and abilities. Focus on what you're good at and leverage those strengths to achieve your goals. Remember, everyone has their own set of skills that make them special. Another tip is to set realistic goals. Break down your big aspirations into smaller, achievable targets. By accomplishing these smaller goals, you'll gradually build confidence in your abilities. Celebrate each milestone along the way to keep yourself motivated. Now, let's talk about positive self-talk. Be mindful of the way you speak to yourself. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your worth and capabilities. This simple shift in mindset can have a profound impact on your confidence levels. Moving on, surround yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with supportive and uplifting individuals can do wonders for your self-confidence. Build a network of friends and mentors who believe in you and encourage your growth. Moreover, stepping out of your comfort zone is essential for personal growth. Challenge yourself to try new things and face your fears head-on. Pushing past your limits will help you realize how capable you truly are. Lastly, remember that failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone towards success. Embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Don't let setbacks define you but rather use them as fuel to keep going. So there you have it, my top practical tips to build self-confidence. Remember, building confidence is a journey, and it takes time. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. You've got this. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Until next time, stay confident and keep shining.